Okay, then going towards the next ayah, which is starting with fa. Okay, fa. So again, the like the tip of our upper teeth is going to be touched, going to be touched to the lower lip. Okay, fa, fa, and we are going to remove air, fa, intentionally, because it is the quality of this word, this letter, fa. Okay, فَلَعَلَّكَ. Okay, then there is a, a. You can practice this very much. Okay, a. Because this letter has no alternative in English, so it can be a bit tricky as well. Like a, different than a sound, a. So it requires us to, like to put a lot of effort in our throat portion, because it comes from the middle portion of throat. So we are going to say a. فَلَعَلَّكَ لَكَ. Okay. The next is باخع نفسك. There is again a, but with like the dhamma tanween. Okay, ba with bit more strength, and kha with scratching sound. Bakhi, bakhi, bakhi'un, and then ain sound can be a bit tricky. It's okay. Okay, bakhi'un. There's going to be a lot of effort going on in this throat. bakhi'un, un, bakhi'un, and then there is a rule as well that we are going to like join these two. And whenever after, I said earlier that whenever after noon sakin or tanween, this is tanween here, right, comes letters, four letters, ya, wow, meme, and noon. So noon is one of them, right? After noon sakin or tanweens come letter noon, then we are going to join the voices, and we are going to do gunna as well. Gunna means we are going to stay for a bit. باخع نفسك, and then fa sound, fa, nafsaka. Okay. Then ala. This ayah has many ayn in it, like a, bakhi'un nafsaka ala, ala. Okay, then there is again mad here. We're going to raise our voice for a bit, make it a prolonged sound, like ala. So we're going to raise our voice how much we can. We are going to raise it for 4 counts on our fingers. Okay, we can count them like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ala. That's it. Okay. Why we're going to do that, we can learn, because there is hamza coming after it in the other word. So we're going to do it for 4 counts. Okay. This is a rule of mad. This is called mad. على آثارهم. Then there is a tha sound, which is different than seen. Okay, seen, like the scene of nafsa, sa. Sa has like air in it, and then there's whistling sound in it. Sa, 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 but sa. This is different. Sa and sa, sa. So sa is pronounced when we put the tip of our tongue on the tip of our upper teeth, and very softly, very lightly. There isn't going to be any vessel in it. Okay. Atharihim. And then ra is going to be very light. Ri, atharihim. Raw has its own rules as well, that when we are going to make it heavy, when we are going to make it light. So there are certain rules, but you need not to worry, because here is simply the rule that whenever this letter has kasra, this symbol below it, we are going to make it light sound, ri, rather than raw, like ri. Atharihim illam yu'minu. And then what we have done here is we have again joined these two letters, illam. Okay, this is a rule of those 7 basic rules. Okay, a rule. You're not going to worry about the rules. They're just mainly 7 in number. Okay, illam, illam we have joined, because whenever after noon sakin comes letter lam or ra, just 2 letters, we just join them. You just join the hamza with lam. We just remove noon from between them. Illam. Okay, illam, and we do nothing. We are not going to stay. We're not going to do anything just like we stayed here. We're not going to do that. Okay, just illam. Okay, then yu'minu. yu'minu. So whenever Hamza comes in second position, we are going to pronounce it with a bit of jerk, like you. Okay, yu'minu. Okay, illam yu'minu bihadha al-hadithi asafa. Okay, and bihadha. So B sound. We are going to intentionally make a flatten our lips because there is kasra beneath B. B. Okay, with a bit strength. B. Biha, and then ha. Okay, ha from the like the portion of throat which is near to the chest, and then there is soft the bihadha al-hadithi. Then there is ha sound, which is different than ha sound. Ha bihadha al-ha ha. Okay, this comes very naturally, like biha بهذا الحديث حديث أسفا. Okay, I've mixed it. Okay, again. بهذا الحديث أسفا. Okay, then ha. So ha comes from the middle portion of throat with a lot more air, and we are going to say like ha, ha. Okay, with the like okay, hadithi asafa. Then there is letter sa here. Sa. So sa is different than seen. Okay, seen. Sa does not have a whistling sound. Okay, very soft. Si, si. This letter has no alternative in English, so we should practice it a bit more. Okay, si. Very soft. Hadithi, hadithi asafa. And then there is seen, different than sa. Okay, sa and seen, seen. Seen has whistle and air in it, or a bit more. Okay, asa, asa, asafa, fa, and then fa has air in it as well. Hadithi asafa.